Hi, this is Chaperes, Regina's Kitchen. We are here again, and I hope you are sitting there and watching us. We will have tocho today. The fish, I have a red snapper that I bought. But I have all the ingredients here, and just watch it. Tayo na! Magluto na tayo at samahan ninyo ako. Okay, umpisahan na natin. Let's start cooking. And first, of course, we will put our burner on. And of course, the first one is our cooking oil. We're gonna start with the oil. And we have our ginger and onions and garlic here. I didn't mince the garlic, I just chop it the same way as my ginger. Okay, so just stir it and put our onion. That's a half of onion, or equivalent to a medium size of onion. And we can put our, this is also a medium size of tomato. Okay. Just let it stir and let it cook for 1 minute. The ginger smells so good with our garlic. Achuete is a friendly coloring that we have. It's a natural. I put the seeds, annatto seeds, with a little of our what do you call that, lye water. Okay, so it can be, you know, just a drop of it and a little water. Let it soak for probably 5 seconds, and we'll give the color. Okay, usually you can buy the what do you call that, the salty one. Okay, the salty one, you have to wash those because it is so salty. Okay, or watch out when you taste it, and if it is still salty, just put a little bit more of water. It's a bean curd that always go with our tocho. Okay, that's what it is. And this is a tofu, a soybean that is fermented and will be a good one for our tocho. Just smash the black beans and tahure, which is you know, the bean curd, and we want to put a little of bite, meaning we can put the chili sauce, maybe just a little of 1 teaspoon. And if you want a little bit more, you can add more. I clean the fish, I seasoning it, and of course I fry it. And it is easy to do that because, you know, you can prepare only the tomatoes and onions and all of those, and it will be ready. Okay, sweet black beans, I'm gonna put a little of that, you know, chicken granule to have a taste. Okay, and we will put our vinegar, which is a half a cup of vinegar, and let it cook. And just let it boil. We'll taste it. And I have the fish that we have for this one. the red snapper. It's a good size, 1.5 pounds, and that is good for a family of 4. And Tatay wants the head, so we have the head. Okay, let us see how the sauce is. If it tastes no salt taste or is just right. So we have, just remember, this one has a vinegar, okay? So we don't stir the vinegar, and it's not cooked yet, not boiled. We can put a little bit of the granulated, and we're just ready. And a little of our chili. So make a little spicy, because tocho usually is a spicy dish. Okay, and I add more, another teaspoonful, and we will taste it again. Oh, look at the coloring. That is the magic of achuete. It is just right. When we add our granulated chicken, the granule, oh, it is just perfect for you. And of course, we add more of the chili, the more it is good. So for this one, it's because we have already our fish that I did fried. When frying the fish, you don't have to really toast it. You want it to have it, just malasado. It's not really toasted, okay? Either you put it in to boil a little bit. It's because this is a small, we can put it in, okay? So if it is big, we will not be able This is one of the favorite of my family. I remember when my dad was still alive, this is the favorite. My mom always cooked this for him. And for us, 7 of us, become the favorite too until now. It is so good. Here we are. Tocho is done. It is so good. Okay. We start making this. How many minutes we have? Less than an hour. And it's done. So it's easy. Very easy. With your favorite fish, just make it. You can even make the fillet, the boneless fish. If you don't, you don't want a clean fish, this one is also good. Okay. Now we're done. Can you believe that? Less than an hour, we're done. Just prepare it at night or before you cook. That is a very important thing. So you can have your tocho, and it is so good. Come on, let's go and try it. It's easy. Here it is, our tocho. Thank you for watching. This is Chef Perez of Regina's Kitchen. Come and do it. This is our finished product. Thank you for watching. See you next time.